Hello, my friends. Stephanie Bernard, The Stamps of Life. And let me just say, it has been a month, right? Am I right? I think these months go faster and faster every single time. Well, I have a feeling you might have missed something that was on our website at one time this month. So let me show you a little recap of what we put on our website. The first item I'm going to show you, you cannot get. So if you were in the Fold It Club, yay, you got it. But if you're not in the Fold It Club, you need to join ASAP to get in on the next one so you don't keep missing out. Here we go. It is this adorable bird in the nest Fold It. It came with 2 free stencils for our club members. You cannot buy this on my website. So go join the Fold It Club so you don't miss out again. We started the month with our fun, oh, there's another birdie. Look at the birdie. We started our month with the trucker hats. I wish I had mine on again. Those trucker hats were so dang popular. You know why? Because they are good for guys and girls, which is awesome. There is a stencil optional, which is really fun. Lots of fun different icons, as you can see. We also, let's see, oh, here's another one. Came with the stamps, coffee, please. And we had lots and lots of add-ons. So for example, we did have that stencil. We also had this fun, Fold It of the hat, which is really, really fun. Lots of different icons that you're gonna use those icons everywhere. Not just on the trucker hats, not just using the trucker hat theme, but everywhere. Also, let's look at some more. Oh, that's later. Here we go. Here we go. Here's another cute trucker hat. We also released a groovy alphabet. There's the high on there that I die cut in the video. A groovy alphabet, approximately 1 inch in size, regular letter and the shadow. Yay. Both of them on there. Perfect for your groovy time hats or anytime, right? Then we released, and this one I'm madly, deeply in love with, the jar and the sparklers. I remember as a kid always doing those fun, beautiful sparklers, and here they are. Now you can use those also as fireworks if you want, and the jar separate if you want. The choice is all yours. We also released the fun America stamp set. It is a background stamp that you can do lots of fun, awesome things with. We then also released a toolbox Fold It. Now you can turn this Fold It into a stand-up or a stand-up or an easel card. So awesome right there. So much fun, all those tools. Then we also released our stamp set of all the tools and the dies that match. It does have the word dad on it, so if you have a dad in your life, but it's all about the guys on this stamp set, right? Then we released, oh my goodness gracious, the grand side fold card. You are getting the die that makes the inside here. You are getting the die that says you make me smile, and you're getting this beautiful edge of all of those fun dots. And look at the cool thing. Look how easy that is. So simple. It's so beautiful. Here's another example that I didn't get to show earlier. This was one of our sneak peeks from our koala kit. Look at how awesome that is. Isn't that so much fun? I love it. Now, we also released Happy Summer. It's summertime. Summertime is coming. I love summertime. It's my favorite. We also released, and this is interesting, a 6-pack of 4 different colors, 24 total, of our new colors in its own cardstock pack. So because these colors were not in a card pack before, we made one. And let's see if Stephanie remembers the colors. Sunshine, Flamingo, Pacific, Poppy, wait for it, Peacock, and Orchid. So you're getting those 6 colors, 4 sheets of each. And if you're brand new to our cardstock, you'll definitely want to pick up one of these, right? Awesome. Then we re-released a couple items. Oh, I can't stop here. Look at this. We released our wax seal, which is so dang awesome. This one is the present, which is so fun. It comes with 5 sticks. I've already used 1, but you get 5. And it's this cute little awesome present, and it is so much fun. I absolutely love it. Then we re-released, if you missed it, now's your chance to catch up. We released 2 different A1 card bases that were in our kits previously, and an amazingly blue ribbon set. Once this is gone, it's gone forever. Also the wax seal. Once it's gone forever. These are limited time items. What? Did you miss one of those items? I have a feeling you might have. We release items on the 1st, the 7th, the 15th, the 20th, and the 25th of each month. So make sure you check out our website, set your alarms on your calendar, on your phones, and I will see you again soon, thestampsoflife.com. Bye-bye. So much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.